Are we gonna talk about the fact that he turned into some kind of sand monster?
You're an investigator. Investigate.
What do you think?
I think you might need a cold shower.
I'm gonna check out Flint's apartment.
She is hiding something. All the fun ones do.
Flint, it's Winston. Silvermane wants to talk to you.
Check the bedroom. Let's go.
You hid in the
I
closet?
hid in the closet.
Is that?
Addison,
I bet she knew that Flint had a friend with superpowers.
does this mean anything to you?
I knew who was in the war. You trying to get me, Mr. Riley?
Get you? You're good.
The world's a dangerous place.
It's, Tai Chi.
Come on, let's go for a ride.
Mind telling me why I'm here?
Silvermane wants to see you.
Where'd he go? Check the side.
Get in the car.
Dumbass.
Janet, did they hurt you?
I care about you, Ben, but not enough to die for you.
Janet. Hiya, I'm Pete with maintenance. Sorry about the leak. It'll be no problem.
Yep, John, I found the issue.
Excuse me, what's happening in there?
Bit of an existential crisis, if I'm honest.
I don't think that guy was a plumber.
What is that? Shoot him! Thank you. Oh, God. That way.
In a while.
You've done well without me around.
Do you want a drink?
No. I want you and your goons to lay off Riley.
Riley, the flatfoot.
Yeah, that's right. I owe him a favor.
I leave the gumshoe alone, and that's it.
I will kill you.
What the hell did I just do?